Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add background music in video in Canva. The first thing you want to do after you have added your video clip, so for example, I'm going to be using this video right here. All you need to do now to add audio, you can go over to the left hand menu option and select uploads. After selecting uploads, you can upload the audio file. Now let's say for example this is the audio file that I would like to use. So I'm just going to drag and place it on the timeline. So I can place it on the timeline right there. Now that I've placed this on the timeline, I would like to also add background music. Now to do this, you can again upload the audio track that you would like to use as the background music. So let's say for example I would like to use this audio track. All I would need to do is drag and place the audio track below that original audio track. So you can see that is the sky blue audio track is the background music. And we're just going to select this option. And from there you can tap on the three dots. After selecting the three dots, you're going to tap on volume. And you can decrease the volume as you don't want it to be too loud since it is the background audio track. Then after doing that, you can tap on the purple audio track, which would be the original audio. And from there, you can tap on the three dots also, select volume, and you could increase the volume a bit. Now after doing that, all you need to do, you can continue editing your video, and you can tap on play to hear how it sounds. And then once it is to your liking, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download. And from there you can download your video. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.